So let's talk about the flow of energy in ecosystem. As we know that energy is not created or not be destroyed. Clear? According to the first law of thermodynamics, the energy always transform from one form to another form. Clear? So this first law of energy is follow on the in the ecosystem. Clear? So as we know that sun is the ultimate source of energy. Clear? And how energy is transferred from one trophic level to another trophic level, and why in a food chain, why food chain is very short. So let's start. Whenever producers trap the solar energy, it converts the solar energy into the chemical energy. Clear? Why it converts solar energy to chemical energy? Because in solar energy, in direct sunlight, they have a different wavelength of lights. Clear? And in this wavelength of lights, not all lights are used for the not all lights is are useful for the producers. Clear? So producers only wants to visible light, and invisible light there will be the blue, green and red light is most important lights for the producers. That's why producers change this solar energy into the chemical energy, and this chemical energy is utilized in the process of photosynthesis to synthesize the organic compounds or organic matter, which are so essential for the plants. Plants physiological and development of the plant, as well as reproduction in plants. So these organic compounds is important because in these organic compounds a lot of energy is present in this. Clear? So the energy is required to the producers itself in the reproduction, in the development of their growth, development of the plant. But rest of the energy is lost in the form of heat by the producers. Why? Because all living organisms have a capability to respiration. So in the respiration there will be the respiration is what? Respiration is a catabolic reaction in which organic compound break into this simpler compound. Clear? And due to this breaking of this organic matter, a lots of energy will released, and this energy is lost in the form of heat. So producers synthesize the organic material, and organic matter is used as a energy in the development and growth of the producers, means reproduction, survival. Clear? These are essential process for the plant community. But rest of the energy of the producers or plants is lost in the form of heat during the respiration. Clear? So the remaining energy of producers is transferred to the herbivores when herbivores eated the producers. Clear? So whenever herbivores eaten the producers, so the remaining energy of producers is transferred to the herbivores. So these herbivores have less energy as compared to the producers. Clear? So this whenever any top carnivores or carnivores eating the herbivores, So the remaining energy is transferred to the carnivores from the herbivores. क्लियर. सो herbivores से जो carnivores एनर्जी ट्रांसफ़र किए जाते हैं तो वो एनर्जी herbivores से भी कम होते हैं. क्यों? Why carnivores have a less energy? Because the herbivores utilized energy for their own purposes, and the rest of the energy is lost in the form of heat during the respiration process. Clear? That's why carnivores having less amount of energy as compared to the producers and herbivores. So, and whenever carnivores get die, clear. So this energy very less amount of energy have present in the carnivores. Whenever it die, this energy is transferred to the decomposers, and decomposers, as you know that what is the function of decomposers, it decaying the dead organic matter into the simpler inorganic nutrient. Clear? So from the producers to the carnivores there will be the successive loss of energy. Clear? That's why this flow of energy allow to 10% flow of energy. That's why flow of energy is also known as a 10% energy flow. Why? Because 10% energy flow in each trophic levels, and in 10% 1% is utilized for the organism's own purposes, such as growth, development, as well as tissue formation, as well as reproduction, and 90% 9% energy will be lost as a heat. Clear? Via the respiration process. तो इस 10% एनर्जी फ्लो को हम 10% एनर्जी फ्लो भी बोलते हैं. क्यों बोलते हैं? कि प्रोड्यूसर से एनर्जी ट्रांसफ़र होता है कार्निवोर्स तक, और उस सभी में एनर्जी 10% ट्रांसफ़र होता है, और उस 10% में से 1% एनर्जी ऑर्गेनिज़म अपने लिए यूज़ करता है. मीन्स वो अपने बॉडी के फॉर्मेशन के लिए, टिश्यू को फॉर्म करने के लिए, और रिप्रोडक्शन के लिए, डेवलपमेंट के लिए, ग्रोथ के लिए, इन सभी पर्पसेस के लिए एनर्जी 1% यूज़ कर लिया जाता है. लेकिन 9% एनर्जी इज़ लॉस्ट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हीट ड्यूरिंग द रेस्पिरेशन. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट द फ्लो ऑफ एनर्जी. क्लियर? तो if this system is very important for the ecosystem. If any problem in this topic, please tell me, and listen very carefully what I am saying, what I am understanding to all of you.